types of time-lapse videos are going absolutely viral on every social media platform right now. Let me show you exactly how you can create them completely for free. But before we dive in, if you want to get updates about every new niche and trending content idea, make sure to join my free community. The link is in the description below. First, head over to Pinterest and search for luxury house. Browse through the results and pick any image that catches your eye, then download it to your device. Next, open Google's Gemini. Once you're in, upload the image you just downloaded from Pinterest. Now, open the Notion page using the link you'll find in the description below. Look for the prompt labeled Gemini 1 and copy it. Go back to Gemini. Paste that prompt along with your uploaded image. Make sure to enable the Create Image option and hit Send. Gemini will generate what we call the garbage image, which shows a deteriorated version of the house. Download this generated image. Now upload the image that Gemini just created back into Gemini for the next step. Return to the Notion page and copy the Gemini 2 prompt. Paste this new prompt along with the garbage image you just uploaded. Gemini will now generate the construction image, showing the house in a partially built state. Download this one as well. At this point, you should have 3 images: the garbage look, the construction image, and the final finished house. For video generation, we're going to use Veo 3, which creates the most realistic transitions. Open OpenArt and navigate to the video section, then click on Image to Video. You'll see several model options available here like Kling, WAN, and C-Dance. And while any of these can work, we specifically need Veo 3 for the best results. This is where you'll upload your images. Alternatively, if you have a Google AI Studio plan, you can access Veo 3 directly into Flow. Open Flow. Switch to the Frames to Video mode. Upload all 3 images one by one into the platform. For your first video, select the garbage image as the first frame and the construction image as the last frame. Go back to your Notion page, copy the Video 1 prompt, paste it into Luma, and hit Generate. For the second video, choose the construction image as your first frame and the final finished house image as your last frame. Return to the Notion page once more, copy the Video 2 prompt, paste it into Luma, and generate this video as well. The AI will create a smooth transition video between these two states. Once both videos are ready, download them to your computer. Now open any video editing software like CapCut. Import both videos you just downloaded. Add the first video to your timeline, followed immediately by the second video. You can add some cuts and transitions between the clips if you want to make it look more polished and professional. And just like that, your transformation video is complete and ready to upload. If you want to stay updated about new YouTube niches and content ideas, make sure to join my free community. Also, if you're just starting out on YouTube, you can get access to a pre-monetized account to jumpstart your journey. All the links you need are waiting for you in the description below.